What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson and I appreciate you clicking on my link and watching my video today. Today I will be reviewing the downpipe that I installed on the C300 a couple of months ago and give you my opinions, my reviews, get you some sound clips. A lot of you guys have been asking for it, and today is the day you will get your questions answered. I will let you know how I feel. I will let you know if I think it's worth it. Should you do it? Should you not do it? And I will give you every single detail that I can about it and let you know what I think. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video if you actually like the video. If not, no harm, no foul. I appreciate everybody who's subscribed already, all the comments that I've been getting. I really enjoy, going back and forth with everybody, and people have been asking for my opinions and advice and links into different things. It makes me happy to know that you guys are actually really watching my videos and interacting with me. It's awesome, and I will continue to write back and reply to your guys' comments as much as I can. So feel free to leave a note behind, or if you have any questions or anything that you have for me, feel free to let me know. But other than that, let's get to this video. The moment everybody's been waiting for to hear this thing. Let's get it started up and hit the road. Alright guys, let's take this thing on the road and let you know what I think. So I'm going to put the car in Sport Plus mode because that's what everybody's been asking me for, and let's get out of here. Alright guys, so installation on the downpipe was pretty straightforward. I had my brother help me out not too long ago with it. It was pretty easy. As long as you have the right tools, it shouldn't be that difficult. You just jack the car up, and it's a couple of bolts here and there, and you just want to make sure everything is snugged on. The only advice I have for you is make sure you have the right tools, a helping hand, and it will just make life a lot easier for everybody. So the first thing you notice about the downpipe is, of course, the sound. As soon as you start it up, you get this deep low rumble, and it makes the car sound really good, really aggressive, but it's not overly loud. It's not going to wake up your neighbors. You're not going to get a ticket for noise pollution. It sounds perfect. It sounds like it should have came out of the factory like this. It's an awesome sound. It's not obtrusive. It doesn't sound like a fart can or anything. It's pretty good to the ears. I'm driving it in Sport Plus mode now, but in different driving modes, it sounds the same. Like, there's not really a noticeable difference when you're in Comfort, Sport, or Sport Plus, because there's no Valvetronics or anything on it, on the exhaust. So it basically sounds the same. As much as you put your foot into it is what you're gonna get out of it. Is there any performance gains? I'm gonna say yes. Where I've noticed the gains personally is in the lower RPM ranges. I feel like anything under about 3,000 RPMs, either the turbos are spooling up a little bit faster, but I feel the power is there a little bit quicker. There's less turbo lag, so the car picks up just a bit faster. Is it a big noticeable gain? I wouldn't say it's huge. It is noticeable for me, at least. After having the downpipe on for a couple of months now, it's been a pretty cool experience. Like, I like it, but I don't know if I would do it again, to be quite honest with you guys. My whole experience has been, it's been kind of like a love-hate relationship. Like, I like the way it sounds, and I like the little bump and performance gain, but I don't like the smell. If any of you guys are familiar with downpipes, you guys know that smell, that gasoline smell. The smell is strong, and you'll notice the smell when you're at a stoplight or at a gas station pumping gas, or just when you start up your car early in the morning. You'll notice the smell. You really don't notice the smell when you're driving, because of course you're moving and it's behind you. But when you're at a stop sign or a stoplight or you're getting gas, you do smell the gas. The fumes creep into the car, and it's kind of annoying, especially in a car like this where it's like a family 4-door car, a daily driver. It gets annoying after a couple of weeks, and everywhere you pull up, you know, people are looking at you because the smell is strong, and they're wondering what car is that coming from. It can't be coming from that Mercedes over there, is it? I made a rookie mistake, everybody. I forgot to bring an extra battery, so that's why you're in my living room and I'm giving you my final thoughts of the Downpipe. Was it worth it? I mean, I liked it. I liked the noise. I liked the little performance gain, but at the end of the day, I don't think it was worth it, and that's just my opinion. The smell was getting a little bit too much for Sophia and I, so we've decided to take it off the car and go back to stock. But we are giving it away to one lucky viewer in the SoCal area. All you gotta do is be subscribed, like the video, leave a comment down below and tell us about your car, your modifications, and we'll be selecting a winner in our next video that drops in about 2 weeks. So let us know. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure your alerts are on, so when I do drop that video, you'll be the first to know if you won or not. But until then, make sure you guys are driving safe, be safe, take care of each other, be nice to each other, and I'll see you guys next time.